Hi everyone, this is Kevamshi from ECD session. So today I want to discuss about the algorithms to programs in C language. So let us start our topic. And first of all, we have to know about what is meant by algorithm. Algorithm is a step-by-step procedure which defines a set of instructions to to be executed in a certain order to get the desired output. Algorithms are generally created independent of underlying language. That's an algorithm can be implemented in more than one programming language. So this algorithm is used in different types of languages. So from the data structure point of view, following are the some important categories of algorithms. So here you can see the elements like search, sort, insert, update and delete. These are the elements used in data structures in algorithm. So here are some characteristics of an algorithm. An algorithm should have the following characteristics like ambiguous. Algorithm should be clear and ambiguous. Each of its steps or phases and their inputs output should be clear and must lead to one meaning. And input, an algorithm should have zero or more well defined inputs. And output, an algorithm should have one or more well defined outputs and should match the desired output. Fitness, algorithm must terminate after a finite number of steps. And feasibility, should be feasible with the available resources. And independent, algorithm should have step by step direction which should be independent of any programming code. So these are the characteristics of which contains in algorithm. So what is the use of advantage of algorithm? It is a step by step repetition of a solution to a given problem which is very easy to understand. It helps the user or a programmer to understand the code easily, and it is easy to first develop an algorithm, then convert into flowchart and then into computer programming. So these are the steps while writing a code. So first algorithm is introduced and then flowchart and lastly computer program. It is used to debug as every step is got its own logical sequence. So this in spite of advantages, there are also disadvantages of algorithm. Writing algorithms takes a long time, so it is a lengthy process. And algorithm is not a computer program, it is rather a concept of how a program should be. So it is a rough diagram where we make a points how we write a computer program. So these are the some properties we discussed above in algorithm, like fitness, finiteness, properly defined, input, output, effectiveness, and independent to any other programming languages or language. So we can present the algorithm in three different types like descriptive analysis and flowchart and pseudocode. In this, today we discuss about only descriptive analysis and flowchart. So coming to the flowchart, it has some symbols which define the code, like arrow marks like called flow lines, and starter, terminator, second, and circular on page connector, next pentagon, off page reference, and input and output, and rectangle as a processing, and star or a kite shape is decision making, and last is procedure or subroutine. And here is the description about flowchart. A flowchart is a diagram that depicts a process system or computer algorithm. They are widely used in multiple fields to document, study, plan, and improve and communicate often complex process in clear and easy to understand diagrams. Flowchart use rectangle and oval diamonds and numerous another shapes to define this type of step, along with connecting arrows to define the flow and sequence. So these are the symbols we used in writing the algorithm, which are useful to the understand by the user, and we can easily identify the program. So here is an example for an algorithm in a descriptive type and flowchart and finally a code. So first it includes steps in algorithm like start, enter number in a and b, add a and b and store in c, display and find lastly end. In this, start is the first step and end is the last step. Coming to the flowchart, it has the shortcut forms of the algorithm in different shapes and final program to execute this code. So algorithm tell algorithms tell so algorithms tells the programs how to code the program. Alternatively, the algorithm can be written as like step 1 add, get, step 2 get values of a and b, step 3 store a plus b in c, and this step 4 c, and last step 5 called stop. And here you can see the example for the algorithm to check whether the input number is even or name. Like start in step 1, enter a number in a in step 2, check if it is even or odd in step 3, and if even, print even. Here you can see the condition brackets it in step 4, and step 5 else print odd, and step 6 end. So it is another example of two numbers written in algorithm form. So again, this is the form example for an algorithm to find the average of three numbers. So it has three different forms in algorithm and flowchart and program. So here is the difference between the algorithm and programs. An algorithm is designed before construct a machine in software engineering. To write an algorithm, person has respective domain knowledge. Algorithms are fully independent on hardware and operating system. Algorithm can be written in any language like Hindi, English, French, Chinese, etc. We use analyze techniques to check the logics, bug or error in algorithms. So coming to the program, after get design, we need to implement codes to build the machine is software engineering. To write the programming codes, we need to programmers. Programs are fully dependent on hardware and operating systems. Programs can be written in any programming language like C, C++, Java, C#, PHP, and Python, etc. We use the testing technique to check the bug or error in any programming language. So I think you understand about the difference between or description about the algorithm. So thank you. Have a